once you hear my voice, you hear that sound. Like a tonic gonna shake the ground. You held me down when I got up. Get ready cause I had enough. I see it all, I see it now. I got the eye of the tiger, dancing through the fire. Cause I am a champion. Cause you're gonna hear me roar louder, louder than a lion. Cause I am a champion. Cause you're gonna hear me roar. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 you're gonna hear me roar. Oh, 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 'cause you're gonna hear me roar.
Nice
Hi,
one.
hi, hi.
Galing.
Ay, ay,
Yan,
ay,
Grabe
bata.
yan,
Yan.
grabe.
Hi, hi, hi,
Grabe,
hi.
galing.
hi, roar.
Siyempre,
Yan.
salamat, Jason. Pinaunlakan mo yung ano natin. Ilang inaabangan nila eh. Kakanta ka lang eh.
Alright.
Booster.
Now,
Season, isa pa para ano. Bago tayo.
by request po, by request.
Isa pa.
Pagising po, ay, nagising po lahat. Hello. Thumbs up po tayo lahat. Thumbs up. Para maano po yung request natin. Ayan, thumbs up. So again, may request. Ano pong request? Yan, memories. So again.
Yun naman, memories naman of season.
Again,
Ayan na.
mute, mute,
Para sa
mute.
mga
Para tuloy-tuloy na tayo.
magagandang memories. Ito ang magandang memories natin sa JC. Para maano natin.
By the way guys, mga apps, stop muna season. Pina-introduce ka ba ni Apps Ben? Na you're a performer here in Qatar. Paano ka naman
Sharing mo. Ba't ka
Yun. So ayun nga, ako po isa akong musician dito. Bali po ako kasi bassist po ako actually. Nakakanta rin pero ngayon nga because of pandemic medyo na-stop yung work namin. Medyo tagal-tagal na rin kasi nga po hindi pa ina-allowed yung mga musician dito sa Qatar. So ito yung naging dahilan nung nakapag-survive din sa akin dito sa Qatar. Yung pag-JC ko nga. At least sabi nga nila, hindi ko talaga to linya yung itong JC, yung ganitong klaseng business. Pero sabi nga nila, kahit di mo nga linya, once na napasok ka dito, linyahin mo na. So dahil nga po sa tulong ng mga upline ko, si Apalia, tapos po sila Coach Chris, sila Upsdes, yun po, naging maganda yung takbo ko naman dito ngayon. Hanggang ngayon po, nagtutuloy-tuloy kasi nga po, medyo maganda na rin po yung nangyayari sa akin dito sa pag-JC. Saka laking tulong talaga kahit hindi pa ako yung about sa mga selling, okay din po kasi talagang laki nung natutulong sa akin ng other side nitong business na to. So yun lang din. So sana hopefully kahit papaano makabalik ako sa trabaho, at least meron ako talagang mas malaking pagkakakitaan, sideline din. Kaya go lang talaga sa JC, tapos maniwala lang lagi kayo sa mga upline nyo, yung nag-guide sa inyo. Kasi hindi talaga tayo pababayaan. Yun talaga totoo. So thank you po, yun lang.
Sige po.
Yun.
Alright, sapat ulit mo na season para tuloy-tuloy na yung team day natin.
Okay.
Sapat, isa pang song number request na ano.
Ito yung mga sa mga maalala ko dito sa JC.
Yeah.
Here's to the one that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause the dreams bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the one here today. Toast to the one that we lost on the way. Cause the dreams bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back you. There's a time that I remember when I didn't know no pain. When I believe in forever. Everybody's still the same. Now my heart feel like December when nobody say your name. Cause I can't reach out to call you, and I know we'll one day. Yeah. Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. But everything will be alright. Go and lesson say. Here to the one that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause with dreams bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Those to the one here today. Those to the one that we lost all the way. Cause the dreams bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back bring back you.
Right. Grabe. Wait lang po. Wait lang po, Ops Jason. Maraming salamat. Pero po, meron lang po ang katanong sa ito.